This is Unit 2, Day 7, Distance Problems. This is problem number 5, which is part of the homework. Pat and Mike are traveling to the Carrier Dome for a Cuse game. Pat lives 70 miles from the dome, and Mike lives 60 miles away from it. Pat drove at a rate of 50 miles per hour, and Mike drove at a rate of 40 miles per hour. If they both left home at the same time, who got to the stadium first? So, as you can see, I set up one part for Pat and one part for Mike. So we are going to write down everything that we know about Pat's journey. Okay, so the distance we can see is 70. He lives 70 miles. So D equals 70 miles. His rate was 50 miles per hour. Right? 50 miles per hour right up here. So what we're trying to figure out is time, so that's our question mark still. For Mike, he lives 60 miles, so his distance is 60 miles, and he drove at a rate of 40 miles per hour. So for him, we're looking for time as well. So as you know, for both, we are going to use the same equation, which is D equals R times T, or distance equals rate times time. So we'll set that up for both. So for Pat, our distance is 70, so 70 equals 50T. Now we're just going to solve it like we would any equation. We're going to divide both sides by 50 to get the T by itself. And we come out with 1.4 hours equals time. So for Pat, it took 1.4 hours. Now for Mike, his distance is 60 miles, and his rate was 40 miles per hour times his time. We're going to divide by 40 on both sides, and we come out with 1.5 hours equals Mike's time. So taking a look at these two numbers right here, 1.4 hours and 1.5 hours, we know that Pat made it to the stadium first because his time is shorter than Mike's. So our sentence will be Pat got to the dome first. And you have your answer.